Now something a little bit different now called Carrot to Search, and I like this because it presents your results in a slightly different fashion and also gives you the ability to search PubMed within the search interface. It's very useful, I find, to get access to what you're quickly looking for, and very useful at those early stages of your literature searching and your search strategy when you're beginning to review the literature and do some scoping searches to identify some relevant keywords. So when you land on the Carrot to Search page, you have the ability to search the web, so think of that as Google, or to search PubMed. So I'm going to focus on PubMed. Incidentally, PubMed is another scientific database focusing on the biomedical literature from life sciences and so on that you may wish to consider as an alternative, but more focused search to Google Scholar if you are in the biomedical area. So when searching Carrot to Search, I'm focusing on PubMed. And once I run my search, it's going to organize my search results into topic and give me a very nice overview of what I'm finding out there. So here you can see, based on my search, I have associated keywords or terms and clustered into different topics. So if I'm interested in perhaps the risk of infection related to COVID-19, I could click on that and it will present me with those 13 documents on the right hand side. So let's do that now. Clicking on risk of infection presents me with those 13 results that I can then review on the right hand side. I can click on any of those and it will take me through to PubMed and the individual article in question, noting that my very handy unpaywall browser extension is operating nicely on the right hand side of my page. The other options are to present your results in a slightly different fashion. So if I click on tree map, I find that quite useful, particularly at the scoping stage, as I have said, and I can explore these different themes by clicking on any of them. So if I'm interested in COVID-19 and the experience, let's click on that. It'll repopulate my list to the right hand side of 9 results, and once again I can review those and click on any of them to view the abstract or full text if it's available. So that's the tree map view. I can also click on pie chart, and once again it's given me a very nice visual interesting representation of my search. So COVID-19 related to the vaccine, for example, if I click on that, you can see it gives me 12 results that I can access there. So this may be something that you consider as a very nice visual alternative to Google Scholar, and particularly useful if you are in the biomedical and life sciences discipline.